Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.6% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.6% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global prices for middle distillates such as gas oil and diesel are falling as the economy slows, more refineries come on stream, and exports from Russia are rerouted and replaced by fuel from the Middle East. Tether, the world's largest dollar-pegged stablecoin, is thriving, having survived the terror-induced turmoil of mid-2022. The market value of the stablecoin continues to rise and is now within a whisker of its record high of $84 billion. The Canadian dollar weakened against its US counterpart, giving back some of its recent gains, despite domestic data showing the economy added more jobs than expected last month.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch consumer spending volume will be released at 04:30 GMT. The US non-farm payrolls at 12:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 20:30 GMT. The French current account will be released at 06:45 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.